In today's digital age, unstructured content management is more important than ever. Organizations are struggling with a growing volume and variety of unstructured content and are facing the challenge of managing it with lower costs while ensuring compliance with a wide range of regulations and standards. However, legacy ECMs are no longer equipped to meet the demands of modern businesses. That's why it's time to replace your old-school ECM with next-generation content services platform like Seal. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of using Seal for modern content management and automation, and how Seal Migrator engine can help you migrate your content and associated metadata to the new platform. To take advantage of the benefits of modern content management platforms, organizations need to consider content migration as a critical component of content management modernization. By using specialized tools such as Seal Migrator engine, organizations can escape the daunting task of migrating their content and metadata from legacy ECMs to modern platforms like Seal, with minimum disruption, downtime, costs, and risk. Seal Migrator engine is a powerful migration tool that can migrate billions of documents and their associated metadata to Seal, allowing the decommissioning of legacy ECMs without losing data or compromising its integrity. Ready-made connectors with OpenText Documentum, OpenText Content Server, IBM FileNet or IBM Content Manager, Highland Alfresco, and other sources make it easy for organizations to migrate content and metadata from their legacy systems to Seal seamlessly. Request a proof of concept today and see for yourself how Seal and Seal Migrator engine can help you take your content management to the next level.